Everything in our home has a purpose and a story.
We love sitting around our kitchen table. We spend a lot of time coloring and drawing and just having fun being creative together.
Jamie's role in this business is she is the creative force behind it.
One day I looked at Lee and said, I'm thinking about going into the sign making business. What do you think? And the rest is history. Menards is great because they offer so many products. So the paint section is really important to us. We love being able to look at all the color options, and if there's something just not quite right, we can have it custom color matched.
In today's day and age, everybody's looking to get as much value as they can, and so I think Menards does a really good job of providing a value product as well. It's great to be able to work every day with your business partner, your co-parent, your best friend, and then see where that takes us on this journey in life.
Color is everywhere you look. Our home is not just my space or Lee's space. It encompasses everything about our family. Getting to experience this journey together, that's the dream come true.